Hello everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, and today back with another model unboxing and review video, this time of a very cool model, one that I'm very excited for, the Aeroclassics Aerounion A300 freighter. This is one I was really not expecting. I just happened to check an email from Easy Toys one day, and I saw that this was like part of the releases, and I was like, oh wow, well this is a grab, because not only have I seen this aircraft in person in Miami, but it's also a regular at LA. So I decided to go ahead and pick this up. This is, I believe, is my first A300 actually, so that's super exciting. And I rarely get Aeroclassics, so it's another Aeroclassics for the collection. So let's go ahead and get into it. Very nice box. This is kind of the same box that my Cayman Aries model that I got from Aeroclassics, the Cayman Air 737 Max came in. You know, it got all the different sort of, you know, Latin classic. It's got all the different flags of Latin America, South America, Caribbean, etc. So very interesting. It doesn't have, I don't think the one flag it doesn't have is the Cayman flag, which was funny. I remember talking about that in that video. But as you can see, like, it shows like the map and everything, so very nice. You can see the aircraft, part of the aircraft in here. The back is really, there's nothing, just that side, you know. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. Got this from Easy Toys, super excited. And here we go. Ooh, nice. That's like big. I like. As I said, this is my first A300, so this is really cool. Awesome. Alrighty. I'm excited for this. Probably gonna have to do this on the back of this box here. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at it. Open it up here. Oh, it's got some nice, some plastic all on it. Very nice. It's got some plastic and some foam and stuff. That's heavy. Oh no. Foam, some of this foam stuff is blown away. Alright. This is actually really heavy. Like, this is solid metal. That's really nice. Was not expecting that, actually. I don't know why. I just wasn't expecting that, but this is really nice. This is heavy. Much heavier than I expected. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at it. This is Aeroclassics, so it's going to be a little bit more basic in terms of the details and stuff than Gemini Jets, Phoenix, NG, etc. But nonetheless, you know, it's still going to be a good model. So here you have the cockpit windows. Not a whole lot of detail around the nose there or anything, but you have that door, the L1 door. Got the main cargo door right there. Aerounion logo, Aerounion titles. Got some details around here. Got the gear, looking really tiny right there, but you know, pretty good. Engines, looks a little tilted down, but not too much. It's not the end of the world. If you take a look at it, they're solid, but there's some good detail in there. You know, it looks alright. So no antennas or anything. Moving along, you got the wings section. Very basic, but pretty good looking design. Not bad at all. You know, that nose view looking pretty good. Moving along, got this sort of, I'm not sure exactly what that is on the top there. I don't know if I've really noticed that. I'll have to take a look again. But nonetheless, a good detail there. It looks like a little window right there over the wing. Got the Mexican flag and registration X-Ray Alpha Lima Romeo Lima. And then moving on to the tail, you got the Aerounion logo on the tail. Got the, looking very nice there at the back. Got the big cargo door. And a bulk baggage door there. The back, and then you got a forward cargo door there with some good details around that. So overall, pretty basic model, but very nice. You know, as I say, there's not a, this engine also looks tilted down. I'm not sure if that's just how they're supposed to be. They're both like that, so it's not like it's uneven. It could very well be. I'm not sure. Here's the bottom. Got the registration on the wing there. Oh, wrong way. Very plain bottom though. Looking good. This is one of the interesting ones where it's like the wing section sits into the actual like fuselage section of the mold, as opposed to just the wings glued in. So that's interesting. It's one of those older sort of molds, but this is a really nice model. The gears look pretty good here too. They don't, oh, they do roll, that's nice. I did not know that they're rolling landing gear. That's awesome. Yeah, really nice. Good detail. In terms of delivery and whatnot, but you know, not like antennas or anything super fancy, but really cool though. A great model, and I'm super excited to have this in my collection, that's for sure. First A300 freighter, and first Aerounion model, so another airline ticked off that goes into LA. Would be nice to get a 767 in 767 from them, or one of the what is it, Fly Mass or whatever that cargo carrier is. But yeah, nonetheless, really happy to have this A300 freighter. So hope you guys enjoyed this short video, and stay tuned for more model unboxing videos every Monday. Like and subscribe, and take care, everybody. Bye bye.